Good morning, children. So, yesterday we have started sixth lesson, personal cleanliness. So, we have spoken some very important sentences. Okay, and today we will discuss about page number 32. Okay, uh, keeping the cleanliness help us in being healthy. It is 100% true. Keeping clean help us in being healthy, right? If you be always, automatically your health will be good. So if you are always being in a dirty way, so automatically it will harm to the your health. So always be clean. And we all know that health is wealth. You see, health is like a money. Health is like a money. See how much money is, how much important. So our health also more than money, our health is important. Okay, so health is wealth, that's what they are telling. Okay, so directly or indirectly, cleanliness paves way to life which is healthy and wealthy. Yes. Aryaman, you see, hello, there are discussing now. This is a discussion between Aryaman and Saumanyu. Okay, Samanyu, Samanyu, so and Aryaman. Both of them, they are friends. Then now they are talking. You see, Aryaman is telling hello, and to the Samanyu. And someone is telling, hello, do you know Priya got an award for being Miss Clean? Aryaman is asking, really? This boy is very surprised when someone is telling. So this Aryaman is asking, really? That's so nice. Did you congratulate her? So Aryaman is asking to the Samanyu, did you congratulate to her? So Samanyu is telling, no. Aryaman is asking, why? He could say congratulations to her. Okay. Aryaman is telling, why? Samanyu is again answering, because I am not happy. I wanted that award. She must have cheated. So you see, because I am not happy, what she got the award. I wanted that award. She must have cheated. See, she must have cheated. See, this man, this Amanyu is talking irrespectfully. So when the somebody's got the awards or rewards, we have to praise them. We have to say the congratulations. Correct, na? But this boy is telling she is cheated. Aryaman is telling, why do you say so? She is a nice girl. Aryaman is, am I not nice? When the Aryaman is asking this someone is telling, am I not nice? So I am not good boy. Am I so like this? Am I not nice? He is questioning. Am I not nice? Am I good? Am I bad boy? Like this. So you always praise others. See, you always praise others, but never me. Huh? So that man is telling, someone you is telling, you always praise others, but you are not praising me. You never praise me. Aryaman is telling, well, Aryaman is telling, well, you are wrong. Someone you are wrong. I always appreciate whatever is good and right. I don't take sides. I always appreciate you. I always say you are good. Okay, so like that. Priya is a polite and healthy girl. She might have got the award because she deserved it. She deserved it. See, she has a deserve to get that award. Otherwise, simply working and you will not get it any benefit. If you do hard work only, you will get it benefit. So like that. Okay. Now you see someone is telling. Someone is telling you mean she was clean and I was not. So everywhere this boy is arroganting. This boy is talking opposite words. So to the Aryaman. So again Aryaman is telling, no, this award is given to someone who is always clean and tidy. Okay, so this award is given to someone who is always clean and tidy. Oh, then okay. Don't get annoyed. That means don't get refused. Don't get any angry and all. Don't get annoyed. Sometimes you do become lazy towards being clean. Tell me yes or no. Thus Aryaman is asking. Sometimes you are also lazy. Tell me yes or no. It is commonly the people will be sometimes they themselves, if somebody is not what can we say, not encouraging, so some people sometimes they become lazy. So encouragement is very very important. So we have to always encourage to the others. Okay, so like that. Oh, someone is telling, oh, that is at home, but in school I am always neat. So someone is telling, but I am at home I will be only little dirty way only, but in school I am always neat. But when I go to school I am always going to school very neat and clean. Then you see, Aryaman is telling, see, I told you this award is for someone who is always clean. She is no other than Priya. So that Aryaman is telling. Before only I told you. So this award is so who is always be clean, not sometime being lazy, sometime being clean, being at home dirty and going school and being in the school clean. No, always in the school also you have to be clean. At home also you have to neat and clean. So she is no other than Priya. Okay, so nobody is like a Priya. So Priya is neat and girl. Priya is very nice. She follows all good habits. You see, Priya is a nice girl. She follows always good habits. She takes bath every day with soap and water. She is a good girl. So she takes bath without taking with simple water. So she takes soap and water. Her clothes are always clean, whether in school or at home. You see, that's what we should not. Whenever we go home, whenever we go out, we wear nice dress, and whenever we go to shopping malls, we wear nice dress and we go. But at home, then we are very dirty, not even brushing our teeth, washing our face also. So being like a very dirty people. So it is not good habit. Either at home or outside, we have to always neat and clean. That one. Her long hair are always well combed. See, she is having long hair, but she combed well. She is always keeping her hairs and proper. She keeps her hairs properly. She combs her hair and always she keeps properly. Have you seen her teeth? They are sparkling. She brushes them twice a day. You see. So did you see her teeth? She brushes twice and I say her teeth is very white. So they gives too much shine. So like that. She brushes two times like that.